Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Can we meet you, sir? What's your name, sir?
My name is Yomi Peters.
Yomi Peters. Does that mean you are related to Shina Peters?
It's only Yomi Peters, the same father, same mother.
Oh, are you serious? You guys look alike anyway. So, when you hear Shina Peters, what comes to your mind?
Shina Peters is my brother, it's my daddy, you know, definitely. It's my brother, it's my everything. So.
Okay. All right. Now, what do you think about Shina Peters' music?
Oh, wow. That's Afro Juju.
Yeah, Afro Juju music, yeah.
You know, that's nice music, you know. The music is the one that even help us Juju musicians at this our own generation.
Right. So what impact do you think Shina Peters has made to the Nigerian music industry?
Definitely, you don't even need to ask me that. Everybody knows that the music is the one that even help us, the new generation, Afro Juju music.
So what are your expectations tonight for the 60th birthday party?
We're going to bubble. We're going to enjoy ourselves. Yomi Peters is here to give them what they want.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Sense of the program law.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.